Hey guys, hope I'm audible. Sorry I had to end the stream because there were some laptop issues, but it should be good now, I think. Hmm. So if anyone is wondering what uh, this is going to be the schedule, not many people are here. Mhm. That is okay. See your support. Hi bro, hi bro. I thought that people are not there, but I had to restart my laptop. It was hanging a lot. So there's no. Hopefully this time it should be okay. Yeah, this is a very annoying problem. I'm not gonna take a look at it. Mhm. Mhm. I'll be continuing some LeetCode problem solving. This is the schedule, guys. I had to end the stream. This is continuation of 12-hour stream only. Let me find some good problems to solve. Bro, if you have 1 plus, yes, you will get LLD if you have 1 plus of experience. There are very good chances that you will get LLD. Just a reminder, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm just waiting for some audience because we had like 10 to 15 concurrent users in the previous one. So I think the notification has not gone to many folks out there. So then we'll start solving problems. We were given correct. So basically, you can sort it and then pick the next minimum one, right? So sort both of these, and then four will come and five, and then so at best you can pick one, right? So very straightforward solution. Fairly straightforward, simple problem. This is more like a easy problem, not even. Medium, I would say, kind of a easy problem. Laddu, if I am following Kunal's DSA course, should I do DSA both together? Laddu, both is good. Start with DSA list also. I'm not sure who's Kunal's DSA course. I have not done that, but do both. Start solving the problems also. Sir, I just second year of my college robotics autonomy room. Separate BHU. Harsh Kanwar, you should start doing DSA, bro. Bro, do DSA. Harsh Kanwar, are you doing DSA? Because this front end dev internships are good. But if your DSA is good, then you can get software engineering internship. Make sure your DSA is super solid. That should be my advice. CS Sports, which language? Aditya Verma is good. If you can understand Hindi. Most welcome, brother. Most welcome. Laddu, did you thank me for answering your first question? No, right? Just kidding, bro. I can answer your second. How much time should I give? I have not specifically done that course, bro. I would say that spend 2 hours watching the videos and 2 hours solving the problem. That would be my advice. More time should be spent on solving the problem. You can probably give it like in 10 days, watch the whole course once, and then you'll have to watch it again multiple times. Not sure which course you're talking about. Like, I have not specifically done that, but that would be my advice. I did not do any DSA course, bro. I just blindly did DSA. So if I have, like, now you already have bought something, is it a paid course or a free course? Oh, free, then it is good. Yeah, then it is good. Just watch this video once. This will tell you how I did it. Oh no worry, bro. This is again brute force. 1 2 0 1 1 0. So again, this is like brute force. You run it again for twice and then you just calculate how many pairs. I'm not sure why this is. Yeah, this is an easy problem. I won't call it hard. Abhinav. Yeah, yeah, bro. I'm chilling only, bro. I'm not solving that tough of questions. This is more of chatting, coding thing. So you could see my. So this is like a continuation of my old stream. So yeah, chilling only, bro. Chilled a lot. Glamorized grind. Uh, how you study DSA topics like recursion DP when you were studying it for the first time. See, there is no first time. First time I never understood backtracking. Still, some days I feel like what's happening in backtracking. But I think there was back-to-back SWE channel that I followed. But I would say that go watch any of the YouTube video, right? If you're not able to understand. Aditya Uniyal, is this not visible, bro? Bro, this thing, is this not visible? Just want, like politely asking this because I have kept this for some reason. Like, who am I section? Is it not visible? If it is not visible, then I'll have to think of it in to put in some other way. Because here I have mentioned what I do, what is my job. On the thumbnail, you will find which company I'll work at. So both of the informations are there in thumbnail and in the whiteboard that I have on the right screen. But for some reason, maybe it's not visible. Not sure. It is visible, bro. Yes, I can see it clearly. I'm just kidding, bro. Aditya, bro, don't mind. Don't take stress, bro. Just kidding. Aditya, Unyal, what do you do? That is good, bro, Abhinav. Yes, you should use Django Fast API. That is good. Do backend in that. Learn how to, Abhinav, learn how to design APIs also. Like you said, Fast API, right? What are different ways of designing REST APIs, error handling, response codes? These are kind of things are helpful. So those are the things, bro. But yeah, you should stick to Python then. Do DSA in Python and then learn Python end to end. Also understand multi-threading if it is there in Python. So that would be another advice to you. That's like a very nice question. Aditya internship, nice bro. Things are getting harder, harder. Things are getting harder, harder, getting. I've never known nothing like that, bro. Bro, I have like 3 years of experience, so that's oh Harman. Nice, bro. Python do kind of so there is a con yes, yes. Async IO is not multi-threading. Yeah, async IO. I also use Python, bro. Async IO, like couple of days back only I was solving a error. Not a error, but kind of a bug. That was like I hadn't properly handled async IO. So that's good, Abhinav. You should learn these things. Async IO and all that. Async IO is more like synchronous thing. Multi-threading is then when you have to run multiple threads and all that. So yeah, it's close enough. So you're on right track. And just to answer your other question, I have got rejected also like more than 10 companies. I would not at 10 companies, I would say. I got rejected by 5 to 7 good companies. One of them is Oracle, right? You might have seen Oracle video. Uh, Herman, good bro. I could not get a nap. So, Jackson, Jackson, Rohit Kodke. I have 5 years of experience. Nice, bro. Nice to know. You are then senior to me. Jackson, brother, I recently joined MNC with the problem is the remedy put. Switch, bro. Jackson. Switch, bro. Learn DSA and then make a switch and then get good money outside. Pratik, hey, bro. Yes, Rohit Godke system design LXU book start is good, but down the line you'll have to practice problems again and again, right? Fat man, fat man. I am not fat, bro. I'm not at all fat. Sir, your voice is not clear. Let me know in comment if it is not clear to anyone else. Pratik, is it clear? Can you hear me properly? Watch David Goggins, bro. You will not feel demotivated. David Goggins. Watch his video. Yeah, Anurag, it's maybe your mic. Little low like a fat man. Fat man. So that's a very weird comparison. But yeah, when your mind tells you're done, you are only 40. Yes, Ritesh, you can ask. You can ask two questions, and I am not sir. You can call me whatever you want, except sir. What do you think about current markets? Do you mean stock market or what market? Market is okay, bro. AI mode. Thinking of putting it all together. Let's see. Persona P, yes, you can target. Rohit Kodke, you can go to the bio of this channel and you'll find all more details. This is my more details. I currently work at Microsoft, but I don't want to put it here because it sounds like then that's not the only thing, right? There are a lot of other things that I just want to establish the credibility for, not just want to be attracting people by saying which company I work at. But still, in thumbnail there is so there is a logo in the thumbnail also. Not sure, bro. That is a recruiter question. It's okay, bro. If you don't try, then it is hard. But answering to your question, Pratik, it is hard, but there is no fun in doing easy things, bro. Still, you have to just sit in front of your laptop and then do the coding, right? We are lucky in that way because we don't have to go outside. Don't care what weather it is, whether it is sunny, whether it is raining, we can still do work. DSA only, Arman. DSA, DSA. Prasanna P, you should watch Aditya Verma's playlist. Anurag, you can watch the video that I am mentioning to everyone. I just Rohit Godke, no, bro. Do you mean like teach DSA? No, no, bro. I don't teach DSA. There are already so many people out there teaching that, so probably do that later down the line. As of now, no. No DSA playlist. Do you guys think it is worth having DSA playlist in this time frame? I recommend LeetCode 150. That's my recommendation. Anyone who is new to the stream, don't forget to hit the like button. There's a like button on the stream. It depends on how many lead code questions you are able to solve. So there's a slight confusion when I say like, right? Bro, it is my real hair. You can check my Instagram. That link should also be there somewhere. It is real hair. So what I was saying is, guys, when I say like, right, I mean this like, not like the reaction like. So just FYI. Still, but yeah, that's okay. Up to people to like or not to like. Ritesh, you have done good, bro. Keep practicing, bro. Keep practicing. Ritesh, Jackson, should I target automation test? Do both, bro. Work with Jackson, whatever work you're doing, spend like 8 hours there and then 6 hours upscaling. No, no, persona, no. Don't need to do brute force. You can just tell the brute force and go ahead with the optimal solution. If you do brute force, then you'll not have time left. No brute force. So it is 5 p.m., guys. Let's go with the schedule. So I had put that I'll be doing resume reviews from 5 p.m. to 5:30. Like this is a second live stream for today. I had like my plan is to do live stream for 12 hours today, right? But I had to like restart my laptop. So if I click on this lives, right, you will see that this was the live that was going from 3.5 hours. So now I had to do this one again because of my laptop issues. अभिनव भाई crazy भाई crazy. Be, so you ping me on Instagram, bro. I'll give you beard grooming trips also. You need to have a good hairdresser for that. That's it. Beard grooming tips. Abhinav, if you have seen my Instagram or photos, let me ask you one question. Do you think I have a future in fashion, or do you think I don't have future in fashion? Lokesh, you can send me on LinkedIn, bro. All the links you will find here, like here. Where is LinkedIn? So all the links you will find here, all of my links. I only have one name, bro. Pratik, are you going to solve any? Yes, Pratik, that's what I'm going to do after 7 p.m. or so. I'm going to do I'm going to solve either book my show I've solved, but what guidance I've got on LLD is that we should practice one problem but end to end, like everything in that, like multi-threading and whatnot, right? So I am going to do that. I'm going to do that, but not in this stream. Uh, you can join around 7:30 p.m. Pratik. But that will be like a very discussed LLD thing, bro. If you want to prepare LLD, you should probably watch the dedicated video. That is like a fun LLD I'll do. And I'll have to change my setup also because for that I need IntelliJ. You are given two integers and memory one and memory two representing. No, bro, I don't have tattoos, bro. See, all my thumbnails are kind of inspired from my this only. If you see this thumbnail also, this is images that ChatGPT has created based on my photos only. So you see this all of these, this one, these all are based on my thumbnails only, like my pictures only. I use ChatGPT because there was a trend, right? So that's the that's why. Abhinav, okay, okay, man. Yeah, Ghibli version, yes, yes. Abhinav is a true friend. He's saying a lot of things so that I can go on cloud nine and then fall on my face. This seems like a priority queue question. Seems like a priority queue. Very mathematic oriented priority queue question, it seems like. Bye, bro. Maybe Prateek, maybe. Abhimanyu, projects are not really that important, bro. DSA is the first thing. And then, like when I was there, I had some web development projects and internship. So that's what I had mentioned in college, right? So college, whatever projects you make in your curriculum, those are good enough, bro. Don't stress too much on the projects thing. Harman, I did a course from Udemy, but I would say that you are already in fourth year, bro. Why do you want to switch? Why do you want to switch back? You should continue in C++ and first get a job and then you should switch. Pratik, sure, bro. Bye bye. Take care. For HLD, you don't doesn't matter which language you use, Abhinav. For HLD, you have to learn System Design book by Alex Yu. You just watch that. Hit the like button, guys, whoever coming in new. Hit it. Don't forget to hit the like button. So total you have 8 and 11, right? So you both are greater than 7. Yeah, I think it's priority queue thing only. Let's solve it with priority queue. That means descending order. Might give it yearly, I think so. That is the only thing that I'm worried about. So, both have the same available memory. I won't switch, I got that, but I have to learn Java once, not learn but revise, continue again because it will be. I didn't understand your question, Arman. Like, not, you will not get, at least in your college, you will not get a company specific, like a language specific questions. You will not get that. Career high, I started third year, decent product company. Yes, you can. You can crack that, bro. Just watch this video once and then do everything that I have said in this video. Do everything. Says here. Watch everything. Do everything. Put in 6 months. Kaushik. I'm also from. I am currently in Hyderabad, but I am from Punjab, bro. I'm not from Hyderabad. New watchers, don't forget to hit the like button, guys. You should switch, bro. Shiny is not needed for resume, bro. Just put ever what you are working, you currently work, and then just start applying, bro. Watch this video once, uh, and in this video you will see just a second. Yes. Good for asking this question, Bashit. So in this, what I want to teach is, although you don't want to appear for SD2 based on your package, right? You might get lowballed to SD2, SD1. So watch this video once. These are all of the things that you'll have to learn, even if you are appearing for SD1, because now you have experience, right? So you're expected to know naturally and intelligently. Yes, you can do. How good is your DSA, first of all? Are you able to crack first round of interviews? Answer me that question. That is most important thing. If you're not able to crack the first round itself, then it is then that's a different story. Then you'll have to first focus on the DSA round itself. Abhinav, because Java is object-oriented language, bro, heavily object-oriented. So Java is heavily object-oriented. That's why most of the people use Java. So object-oriented is what makes the difference for. You have to work on DSA, bro. Then start solving DSA. You should start solving DSA. Don't forget to hit this like button, guys. If you find this stream helpful. Don't forget to like it. Right. Cool, I said, right? This is fairly easy problem, just priority queue. Without priority queue, it is like mathematics problem. I'm just solving easy problems. Varun. This is a very easy problem. I'm not solving hard problems. Hey, I can't find your profile on leaderboard. Leaderboard, Cordelia, I'm not on leaderboard, bro. Why I would be on the lead? This is my profile, normal profile. Not sure how ones get, but you can see I've solved 3,300 problems and still solving. No, you can do in Python, but you'll have to make classes and all. It will not solve any problem. You're still in college, bro. Why you're worried about LLD? No, it will not cause problems. First, focus on getting one job, bro. I have seen people clearing LLD rounds in Python, so don't worry too much. Basit, yes, all the best. No, Harmanpreet, no plans, bro. Hello, Dhruti Nandan. I have no idea what Web3 is. Yeah, I also will advise you the same. If you are in college, main focus should be on data structures, bro. Bro, I would say that Harmanpreet, any language is fine, bro. As long as you become master in that. Any language is fine. Harmanpreet, it is not the burden, bro. I don't need to do DSA now. That's the thing. I just do it for fun. Like, I don't want to do it just for the job, and also, it's like I am not completely inconsistent. Also, if you see this one, this is more consistent that way. So sometimes I solve from this one, sometimes I solve from that one, right? Earlier, I was completely focused on that one. So this problem is like you need to go all the way to the down and then check if both are empty. If both are non-empty, then return this. If any of this is empty, then you just return that one. Now there could be a case if what if this zero also has a child? Then there are like all the deepest node, right? This is a little bit like LCA. First, I need to find the maximum depth. I am getting blanket grad interview for SD front-end role. Can tell what to do. Like I got rejected in grad but went self pending. So should I start backend? Bro, prepare if you have front-end interviews, then prepare for front-end, right? Sure, Herman. Thank you so much, bro. Bro, I heavily focus on backend. I am a backend engineer, backend software engineer. Is my audio not proper? Hello, hello, hello. I'll just wait for some comment in the chat and then say. What I'm thinking is first we need to find the height. Then if I'm getting same height from left and right, then that node is the answer. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, let's do this. Audio is clear, audio is clear. Cool. So Hilshek, I had to do your resume review, right? But you never came back at 5, and I even waited. Bro, Pratyush, I am a backend engineer solely, so I can guide you how can you can learn system design and whatnot. I think at a college level, both of these round are very generic. You'll ask some React skills and all that. You need to know React and all, so you might get questions around that. So, but you'll definitely ask DSA if you're in college. That's my advice. So, well, no need to say sorry, bro. You can just let me know if you need it or not after this question now. Any time is over, bro. But still, there are a lot of time left, so I'll probably do later during the end. Don't worry about that. I've answered your question in the chat, Basit. I didn't feel like talking, so I answered it in chat. Your code helper, bro. I am out of referrals. I have referred lot of people. But loyal and not sure about what roadmap, but this is the advice that I would guide any of the engineer who is there, right? I would advise them to go and watch this video and do this. That would be my advice. Sharing a link in a chat. This is my advice, guys. I don't think this is going to work, but still I'm just trying. Loyal lunch, but it's totally your decision, bro. So I'll check after solving the problem. Yes, I'll do that, bro, after solving this problem. Loyal lunch is totally your decision, bro. This is something you should discuss with your family. But I have heard it's a Ukkish college. I've seen people getting placed from that. That is something that I can say to you. It's not a very bad college. Yeah, I thought so. It is not going to work. So what is happening? You are at this three. You'll find max height of root dot left. Then you will go all the way to left, left. This six. And then left and right will be, in this it will be zero. This will be null. Yeah, something is wrong, bro. Yeah, this is messed up. Some other tip would be there, bro. Okay, I'll take a little bit of a break and I'll do your resume review. So here, Sheikh, let me know if you're listening, bro. I'll do your resume review now. Basit, are you also listening? You have also pinged me. I'll do your resume review next. So here, Sheikh. Bro, first tip to you would be to follow the format that I have mentioned, right? And you can get rid of that motivated computer science student thing that is not required. Your male 22 is also not required. You can get rid of that also. and then follow the format that I have sent. Okay. Education is okay. Just change the format. Okay. Internship area is okay. Personal project, personal portfolio. Personal portfolio is a very basic project, bro. You should start working on something else as well. Relevant skills. Your format and content is okay, but that is very less, bro. You don't have any lead code profile and things like that. So you should start solving those things and then start applying for internships and different companies. You're already in fourth year. Overall, your resume feels very empty. So once you switch this to the other format, right, you'll see that there will be a lot of empty space. But you are in fourth year, so it should not be empty. So that's what I would recommend you to do. Basit. Yeah, Basit, you have followed a good framework. That's what I would say to you. But in education, your course is right. There is lot of space, and your cloud computing is going out of the box. So cloud config that is going out of that space, right? So you should take care of that, bro. Make sure cloud computing is coming in between. So as of now, your cloud computing is going very out. That doesn't look good. Look good. I would say you can get rid of that courses also. That's not important. Software engineering analyst, TMT client. Your resume format is okay. Developer and also make some of the things bold, bro. Basit, make some of the things bold. Your school name is very unique. Our own English high school. That's a really unique name. So make some of the things bold. So I have a resume video also uploaded. So this is a resume video. You can just watch this how I have made couple of things bold in this one. So that would be helpful for you also. Hmm, your content is good. Like used Axios library to make an asynchronous STD. These are very basic things to add in resume, right? I would not add these things, bro. I would not add that. And if you want to switch to software engineering role, you need to have some lead code and all, bro, mentioned on your profile. You don't have that, so that would be another thing to add. Otherwise, your resume looks okay. No worries, Basit. Lone Wolf, don't worry about projects, bro. Improve your lead code rating. You need to make sure your lead code rating is around 1800, bro. And then start solving other, then start appearing for internship opportunities and then make projects. No need to worry right now. Lone Wolf, you are in fifth year, starting of third year, right? Start appearing for internships, bro. Internships, they will ask you DSA only, bro. Why do you want to make projects, make projects? What do you mean you don't have time? You have a lot of time. And don't ask questions like, can I get internships in next? In your interview of internship, you'll be asked the DSA questions. Why do you want to think on one thing, right? Go watch the YouTube videos of Microsoft internship or Uber internship or Atlassian internship. Everyone asks DSA question. With your lead code rating, you will not be able to clear OAs of different companies. So what you will do by learning, man? Don't forget to hit the like button, guys. You're welcome, bro. Yes, Lone Wolf, I am here. I was just thinking this problem. I will be happy when I get. Bro, 10 15 LP is really good. You should be really, really happy, bro. Right after college, 10 15 LP is like crazy. How much else do you want right after college? So you can aim for more, but even you should not use the term even if I get that, right? Like 10 15 LPS is 1 lakh per month. That's like very good money. So first of all, that's and then if like most of the companies, those who pay 10 15 lakh, they will ask DSA. I'm not really sure of which companies don't ask. Thank you, Basit. Thank you. Gopal, I am consistent from last. So Lone Wolves, you should do projects, bro. You should start learning dev. There is nothing wrong. Learn Monstack. Monstack is good, but I always say that stick to DSA as well. Hi, bro. I am consistent now, so all around I work in. So you need to learn system design. Brajral Mukherjee. This is the video for you. You can see this video. Hi, sir. Please tell about what I need to know in Java. Not sure what do you mean, bro. Anyone who is new, don't forget to like the stream, guys. I'll be taking a break, guys, now for again 1 hour. So we started at 4 p.m., right? So within 20, 25 minutes, I'll take a break. Then will I come live every day, not just every Sunday. Every day at night, 10:30 p.m. Bro, if you want to aim for more, you should aim for more LeetCode. And then learn any man from YouTube videos. Just start watching the YouTube video. That would be my recommendation. It's a good way, hacker. Don't doubt yourself. Just start solving, bro. Don't doubt. Yes, that is a good target, bro. I haven't gotten your LinkedIn request, bro. Yes. Okay, okay. Did I accept? That's good. Siddharth, please, bro, thank you a lot. Bro, could you please give a suggestion for beginner videos to watch on YouTube? Bro, you could watch any of the video. Are you still working in Goldman? Bro, I never worked at Goldman. Never worked there. Me and a hacker, yes, if you have good understanding of DSA, yes, it will get you good. Siddharth, I'm not sure on the colleges, bro. Okay, cool, guys. Bye, everyone. Just a humble request to everyone, don't forget to hit the like button. I'm going to take a break for 1 or 2 hours and then I'll come back. No, only DSA lead code is good enough, Siddharth. Shall I do a Pomodoro? No, I'll just shut down my laptop. I think it's helpful. Cool, guys. Bye, everyone. Uh, we'll be doing part 3 of this.